Hi everyone, we're going to talk about t-test today, two-tailed. The question is, the mean length of a small counterbalance is 42 millimeters. The production supervisor is concerned that the adjustment of the machine producing the bars have changed. He asked engineering department to investigate. Engineering select a random sample of 11 bars and measures each. So there's 5 steps to solve this question. The step 1 is HO mu is equal to 42, H1 mu is not equal to 42. And our step 2 is to determine the significance level. Our significance level is 0.02. And after that, we have to find a degree of freedom. The formula is n minus 1, and n is equal to 42, n minus 1 equal to 10, and that's the degree of freedom. To find the T critical value, we have to go our the T critical chart, and we have to find a 0.2 significance level on it. And the degree of freedom is 10. That comes to 2.764. That's a T critical value. That's a step 3. So if T calculated is greater than T critical, 2.764, we reject the null. And after that, we have to find a standard deviation. And X is, these are samples, and the total is 456. And then we have to find the X minus X bar. And after that, to find the standard deviation is X minus X bar square. That comes to 34.70. Now I'm going to pass it to him, and he will talk about further steps.
Thank you. So for after step 3, we need to calculate the step 4. In this, we have to calculate mean, standard deviation, and the T calculated value. For calculating the T calculated, firstly we need to find mean and the standard deviation. For the mean, we have formula that is x sigma of x upon n. So for sigma x, we need to add all these number, and the total comes to 456. Then we need to divide by 11. So we get the mean is 41.45. So after that, we need to calculate standard deviation. The formula for this is summation of x minus x bar the whole square upon n minus 1. And then we need to just put the values. So that is 34.7 divided by 10. Then the answer is 1.86. So after that, we need to just put these values in that formula of the T calculated, which is x bar minus mu divided by s divided by under root of n. So then we get the T calculated, which is minus 0.98. So in the end, as we said in step 3, if the T calculated is greater than T critical, then we reject the null test. But in the end, we see that T calculated is less than T critical, so hence we fail to reject the null test. So in the end, Sandeep is going to explain this graph.
So this is a graph. Our rejection region is 2.764. It's two-tailed, so minus 2.764 and positive 2.764. And our answer is out of the rejection region, which is 0.98. That means all the chocolate bars are not the same. Well, thank you for listening to our video, and have a great semester.